What's up guys, you absolute shreddy sigmas. Today we're at... I've never been here before, but the trails look absolutely sick on video. And it's not just going to be me today. Alf, Seb and Cody are here. And, can you believe it? My bike is finally fixed. Got the orange grips. They're cheaper than black ones, so don't blame me. The shock's finally fixed. So today is going to be absolutely amazing. The riding's going to be sick. So why don't we roll the intro?
They think I'm the one who's behind the floppy shit. I'm just focused on music. They say my last tape was a classic, but I got some hotter shit.
Guys, I found Cody. Yeah, we've walked up to the top, and we're gonna do this trail. It looks pretty good. Probably not gonna be clearing stuff first run. I'm gonna kill you, Cody.
I'm gonna crash first run.
That'd be pretty rad. Can you make sure it's like on the video, so like you do like a massive jump in front of me?
I'll cross over the trail and then I'll just rip into your face.
So, do you want me to go first?
No. Actually, no, go.
You sure? Right, okay. First proper run today. Oh god. Let's freaking go, dude. This is gonna be so rad. Firm. Oh, bog. Oh god. Right, boardwalk. Oh. Pretty slow first run. That was pretty rad.
No, it's so gripping. Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought I was going to slip out later. I'll actually see it.
Those guys are waiting for us at the fire road, Alf and Seb, so we're just gonna go from like halfway. These guys have arrived here now, which is so cool.
We're gonna do the good corners and we'll stop and then push across.
Wait, so there's like, you go across and then it gets like gnarly.
Saving that when Fergus around.
Oh, is Fergus coming? Oh god. Oh god, that bit dropped. Why is the wooden plank there?
Some big guys have put that there.
Why have you gone and done that? Oh, stalling. Send it!
Did they do it?
Yeah. I was not expecting that. These guys have ridden here before. Well, I know Seb has. That's it, yeah, bang. Whole hole. The trail is looking radical. Sort of built a rut in it. It's the left one, not the right one. But in the steep section, it'll look flat on camera, but there's just a bloody hole in it. A rabbit, a badger hole or something in the middle. So you're gonna have to pull over that or else it's your death. Front wheel fits straight in this hole, get caught, flying over the bars, rolling down the hill. Be so cool and rally. Right. Wrong way. Where is the hole? There is not very helpful. Go on then, you gnarly shredders. Oh yeah, you can just kind of go into it. Oh, how do you actually get that nice? It looks like you just got to kind of trust it off. You got full face and body armour on, you've got it.
Yeah, and you've got handguards.
Yeah, handguards are going to stop that, yeah.
Do you even need to do anything for that little badger hole?
Yeah, he's kind of like...
You just throw
Oh,
it.
he got that corner really nice. That is like the easiest thing ever. Go on, Cody. Yeah, you see? Oh, but now. It's fine. Fucking hell, my front wheel almost went then. Bloody hell, Cody, bit of speed there.
I tried going from where you went, I cannot slow down.
Seb, some crashing, bloody hell, a bit fast. Ah! I got out so arse then, I went into a tree at the top. Oh, Cody got that good then. Oh, he's down. You alright?
Yeah. Whoa.
Bloody hell, Cody. Damn, I need to go faster. Ah! That ankle's stuck.
Ride it down.
I'm stuck! Stop! Stop! My ankle's stuck.
What the fuck? What have you done?
I don't know.
What are you caught?
If you'd be able to do it without snapping my ankle, that'd be ideal.
I don't know what he's caught.
It's like my pants are in my chain. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Thanks. Ooh. Thanks, guys. Oh, those pants are destroyed. How did that even happen? Thanks for the help, guys.
Chain's also off.
Protection.
Jesus.
Put down. Oh. Oh, how did it actually like go through that corner? No, it's flat out. No brakes.
No.
Oh my days. Oh, what? Well, I'm pretty arse. How do I do it better? How do I do them good? Seb, what do I do to make them better? That is a genius idea.
Are you following me?
Yeah, I'll follow you down. Let's freaking get dropped by Seb Sumner. Oh, was that a shout? Oh, God. Oh, go.
Yeah, but yeah.
Big drop there. I think it's the Tommy C one. Not really sure. I've not even told much, but they were looking at a big thing. Let's have a look. That's not too bad. What's this?
Can we do this?
No, it's easy.
No, there's a drop after it. You can't see it.
Oh, bloody hell, yeah, I see it now.
Yeah.
How big's that?
Not big. You just want
Alright.
just don't pull off it.
Well, so you just float off it?
Yeah, but don't break.
That's a drop.
You don't want to break into
That's
it.
the bottom
Is
of
that someone doing it?
Alright.
it. Yeah, I don't know who.
Oh, imagine that's Harry with his dropper.
I know. It is as well.
Doesn't look too bad.
No, no, that's you. That's you.
I'd like to have a look at it before I do it.
You want to go down there?
Leave my bags. Oh, he wants a person to do it. He'll do it on the Mondraker. You can't really see anything from it. You guys definitely won't see anything. It is quite large.
Wait, imagine trying to build
Has
it.
he built like the lanyard?
Imagine you're like trying to go up to test it and just slide all the way back down. I don't think this will be too bad, it's just a drop.
Yeah, that bit would be fine.
Yeah, just don't break.
That fucking drop down there.
Who's dug out all this?
The actual shoot's fine.
Yeah, exactly. Just slide down it with a spade.
Oh, bloody hell. Bloody hell. Where does it go after?
It's going to cheat out at the bottom.
Well, you just go
I
up.
think you come around that way.
There's Sebster.
Fergus, do
Fly
not
off end of it, you pussy.
Bloody hell.
Seth, shit, my bad. I didn't realise he was going to do it.
Bloody hell.
It just goes
straight
up.
up.
Well, is that super steep?
It's like this, I think.
No, it's like up.
Up.
It's like a skate park.
I think the
By
drop
the
will be
time
fine.
it's
I'm just
gone
worried
up,
about the
like,
up
shoot you
after it.
basically.
Yeah, not doing that today, guys. I want to see what the run-outs like before I do it, because I'm not very good at steep uphills with speed. So if I see that and it looks alright, then I do it. But I'm in such a light gear. I can't see where I'm meant to be going now because about. Take your time, Fergus. Alright, I'm not very quick. Never done this before. These guys actually have done it. Fucking hell. What? Where am I going? Oh, complete wrong way. Oh! Fucking hell. Fucking hell. You are?
I just did like a tail whip mid-crash.
What the fuck? Wait, someone crashed?
Yeah, except we died here. I can't that was crazy.
What's this?
No, what's that like?
Fuck you, Caden.
What?
Took me into that suicide. Freak, that like little sludge thing, I went straight into it because I was following you.
Oh, what, that bit?
Yeah.
Is that alright?
And I bunny hopped. Too late.
You alright?
Ooh! Oh, he's gonna whip it into Seb's face. The what? Go on then, Cody. Yes, Cody, it is quite steep.
No, sir. It doesn't say O'Neill on this.
Behind Al.
Okay.
You leave a bit of space so like you don't.
I'm doing it.
I'm doing it as well.
I'm doing it.
You're going in front of me.
You go, 'cause I don't even
Well,
know.
I'll get content if you want. If you want to go in front, you can go in
I don't know
front.
what it is.
Wait, is my
Go.
GoPro on?
You go, yeah.
All right, I'll go. Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't
No,
know.
I actually want you to go in front.
No,
I want to
you
get the. You're going. I'm getting the content. All right, following Cody into this because I want to get the content. Oh, Cody with the steez. Cody, why have you stopped?
I don't know what it is.
It's fine. Neither do I. Right, you want me to go?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Ah. You what? Shit, this is steep. Fergus is dead. Okay, right. This is a bit out of my comfort zone, I have to admit. Go on, Fergus.
Use your bike to hold you into...
Oh, if I tackled Alf right now, it'd be gone. We'd never see him again.
I'd actually just die.
Push him down? No. You...
Move so I can stand here to film.
Alright. How? Cody said he's gonna Subway Surfers roll all the way down, and if he does it, I'll give him 10p. He didn't do it. You know, Fergus, please don't die. I actually don't want him to crash, even though it'd be sick content.
Oh, you've got that?
Oh yes.
No way.
That's gone.
Just try and turn up the hill once you hit it. Boom.
Go on, Alf. I believe in you. You've got it. Oh, Wendy's gone. And yeah, bye, Alf.
Very in his little coffin.
The steeps at Old Have. And he's off the trail. Okay.
Not good.
Oh, he made it down from there. Oh, that does not look fun. Seb Sumner, attempt number, what is it, 2 or 3? This is steep as. What the hell? That was close. Cody's about to die. I think this might be an arse slider. Note to self, do not come back here until you're a lot better at riding. Oh God! Ah! Oh wow. How the hell did you save that? That was the sketchiest thing I've seen. Thank you so much for watching. They started off strong, but once I'm gonna do more practice, get a bit more confident, and I'll come back here and conquer them. But today was not the day. See you in the next one.